friends, my name is Suraj Kumar Sahu and today we are going to discuss on the topic of operators in Java. So what are operators? Operators are nothing but functions that perform operations on two values, and those values are also known as operands. Now there are basically three types of operators in Java. First of all, it is unary, and second of all, it is binary, and third of all, it is ternary. What unary does is performs action on only one variable, then binary performs actions on two variables, and ternary performs actions in three variables. Now we will come to the part of unary. Unary is again divided into three parts, that is negation operator, and then is increment operator, and then is decrement operator. Then again increment operator, there are two parts, that is pre and post increment, and then decrement operator, there is again two parts, that is pre and post decrement. Now, what pre and post increment does is it adds values, or first of all we will explain pre increment. Pre increment is, first of all, the value is increased or the variable's value is increased, then other operations are done, and in post increment the operation is done and then the variable is increased. And the same thing goes for the decrement decrement operator, that is pre decrement and post decrement. First of all, the decrement is done, then then the operation is done, that is known as pre decrement, and post decrement, the operation is done, then the pre decrement is done. Now the second part of binary operator is again divided into subparts. First of all, that is arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, there are five types of arithmetic operators. First of all is positive or plus sign, and negative, and then is modulus or front slash, that is denoted by divide. Now what these do is, it is simple. It does arithmetic operation. The plus sign adds two values, and the negative sign decrements or negate two values. Third is the front slash, that denotes divide, and it gives only the quotient. The last is modulus, and the modulus gives the remainder of the divided forms. Now second is logical operators. In logical operators, there are again three types: and, or, and not. And operators, again it is function is comparing two values, and the or operators, it is again and or operators in and operators, when the values, both the values are true, then the variable is declared or program is executed. And in or operator, if either the value or one value is true, then the program is executed. And in not value, it gives two types of value, that is your true or false. And then the last one is boolean types. In boolean types, there are again three types of boolean types, that is and, or, and not. And in and operators, in and operator, again I will give you an example and then show. If you take two variables and put and operator in between, then it will first try to compare the values, and then see if both the values are true, then the program will be executed. And in or operator, in boolean operator, first of all, if you give two values, the first what it will do is, if it will check either of the values is true or not, and if either of the values are true, then it will execute. And finally, in ternary operator is of three variables. It performs operations on three variables. That is all from my side. Thank you.